Hey G-Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool thing are here, and basically what this is an LED desk lamp. And the cool thing about this desk lamp is the fact that you guys actually fold this part or bend it however you guys want to. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. But also what's really cool about this product is the fact that it has a built-in wireless charger in the bottom as well. So if you guys want to do wireless charging on your phone, you definitely can. And also on the side right here, I'm not sure if you can see or not, but they also have a USB output as well. So that way if you guys want to charge another device at the same time, you definitely can. So basically for the wireless charging option, the maximum is 15 watts. And basically for the USB output, that one is actually 10 watts maximum. And then obviously if you guys want to use both the USB output and also the wireless charger at the same time, you definitely can. Some other cool specs about the product is the fact that they mention how the light should not flicker when you guys set it up. And they also mention how they have a polarized light source as well. And in terms of the lens that they have on top right here, it definitely gives you guys a good eye comfort as well when you guys actually use it. So that way you guys don't have to worry about it damaging your eye or hurting your eye over time when you guys use it often. And also for this product, it has a smart light sensor. So that way the light can actually adjust by itself. So see inside right here, they mention how there's 3 different color temperature setting on here. So whether you guys want like a warm white light or if you guys want a bright white light, you definitely have that option available for you guys here. So basically it ranges from 3K to 5K. But I'm actually open the product to show you guys what's included inside first. So when you guys first open the product, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So the product is all nicely protected and everything. Let's take it out. So when you guys first get the product, it's all nicely protected inside right here. Let's take it out and show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so when we take it out, you can see that this is basically what it actually looks like. So there's definitely a lot of different parts on here. But let's take everything out to show you guys what's included inside. Alright, so here is the charging cable that's going to use to activate the product. Right here they provide you guys the user manual, instruction manual to teach you guys how to use the product and how to set it up. And then last but not least, we have the actual product right here. So you can see how the product is all nicely wrapped and everything. But let's take it out first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so you can see that once we take out the product, this is basically what it actually looks like. So this part right here is actually bendable. So if you guys want to bring it all the way down, you definitely can. So this is how far it can go. And if you guys want to bring it all the way up, that is how far it can go in that direction. And then for this part right here, it's actually flexible as well. So if you guys want to bring it down, that is how far it can go. If you guys want to bring it all the way up, that is how far it can go. And then for this part right here, if you guys want to bring it up and down like this, you definitely can. And you also have the option to go like this as well. And the same thing for other side as well. So that's definitely really cool how they give you guys all these different positions and angles to move. But see from the lens right here, this is what they meant in terms of the honeycomb lenses right here. So that way you guys get that protection for your eyes when you guys actually use it. But definitely when you guys view the product here, it definitely feels like a high quality material that they use throughout the whole entire LED desk lamp. And then as you see right here, this is basically what the product looks like in terms of the touch panel. And I'm assuming this is the indicator light to show you guys when it's on or off. Right here is the power button, and then here's a bunch of other buttons. And see right here, this is basically what's going to do the wireless charging option right here. And then we see the back right here, that is basically going to plug in the cable to activate the product. And we turn on this side right here, that is the USB output. So you can definitely plug in a cable to charge your other device at the same time if you guys want to. And we see this is basically what the bottom part looks like. So you definitely see they have that like non-slip material on the bottom, so that way when you guys put it on the table, you don't have to worry about it keep moving around. So this is basically what the product looks like once you guys fully assemble it. Let me just plug in the cable to show you guys how it works first. Alright, so we got the product all plugged in right here, as you can see. Let's turn it on. So basically I want to turn on the power button first. Alright, so it turns on. So that's the first color temperature right here. If I want to change the different color temperature on here, I basically want to press on the button right next to the power button. Alright, so that's color temperature number 2. And here is number 3. So obviously right now it's kind of hard for me to show you guys a light like this. But I'm going to put this down and test out the USB option as well to see when it actually works. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so this is basically what the product looks like once you guys set it up and have the light shining that way. So right now we have it off. If we turn it on, this is how bright it is on the brightness level on here. If you guys want to change the different color temperature on here, you basically want to press on this button right here. So that's color temperature number 2. Here is number 3. And here is back to number 1. So you can definitely see that actually makes a difference between each one of these color temperature on here. If you guys want to turn on the smart LED light option, you basically want to press on the middle button right here. So basically once it senses light on this light sensor right here, then it actually turns down the brightness. But once it senses darkness, the light will turn on. So just like this. So when you cover up the light sensor, you can see how it turns on the brightness. But when we let go, it slowly dims it, because it still detects like the sunlight coming out from the window. So that's definitely a really cool feature that's built onto the product. And then obviously if you guys want to turn the timer option, you want to press on this button right here. And basically after 1 hour, the product will turn off by itself. And then if you guys want to use night mode, you basically want to press on this button right here. and now it's on night mode. And like I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to adjust the brightness level on here, you basically want to go like this. So this is the brightest it can go. If you guys want to bring it down, just go like this. And that lowers the brightness. If you guys want to bring it back up, just go like this. So pretty easy and very simple to use if I can see. And then if you guys want to do the wireless charging option, you just basically want to put your phone on top right here. Let me bring the camera over so you can see a better view of it. Alright, so all you need to do is go like this. You may see it works. So definitely wireless charge your phone even with the case on. But let's test out the USB option on the side and see how that works as well. Alright, so we got the USB output right here. We're going to plug in the cable right here. And we're using the cable right here to charge my power bank that we have right here. Alright. So you can see that definitely does work. So you definitely use that USB output to charge your phone, your device, or basically whatever you guys want to, as long as it supports the USB output right here. But you can see it is charging a device right here, and it is also charging a phone. And if you guys want to use the light option, that works as well. So you definitely use all three things at the same time if you guys want to. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw a quick test of the product and definitely see it actually does work and it's quite well. Super easy to install the product and super easy to use as well. Basically, once you guys plug in the cable and activate the product, you can definitely use all the different settings on here, from changing the brightness level on here, changing the different color temperature on here. If you guys want to use the night mode, the timer mode, the smart LED light mode, or even if you guys want to use a USB output to charge your device or the wireless charger to actually charge your phone as well, you can definitely do all of that on here, which is pretty awesome. But now to go unboxing and test out the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys want everything that I mentioned earlier that's included for the product here, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.